Do you want to get up early in the morning, but you are still struggling? Just follow all the 5 points mentioned in this video. So let's start. Point number 1, sleep early. You need to sleep early in order to get up early. You can't get up at 5 a.m. by sleeping at 3 a.m. It's totally unhealthy to sleep for less hours. Point number 2, no mobile phone. If you are using mobile phone just before sleeping, then please stop using it. It's very important so that you do not sleep late. Point number 3, set an alarm. Remember that the sound of the alarm should be high, and keep the alarm clock far away from you, so that you need to walk in order to switch it off. Point number 4, strong mindset. When you will wake up, you may feel that it's very comfortable while sleeping. So I will get up early tomorrow. When such thought comes in your mind, immediately get up, because tomorrow never comes. Do it today. Point number 5, cold water. Wash your face with cold water after getting up, because this will help you overcome laziness. Try this for 1 week. In the initial days you might feel exhausted, but after a few days you will get used to it. And finally it will become a habit. Don't forget to subscribe, and leave your valuable feedbacks in the comment section.